To start or stop Windows Remote Management Service in Windows 10 Home, right-click on Start menu icon and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu, select Services, and then scroll down the screen, find Windows Remote Management Service. And then right-click on Windows Remote Management, VS Management, and then tap Start to start or tap Stop to stop. Tap Start, select Start to start or select Tap Stop to stop. Windows Remote Management (WRM) service implements the VS Management protocol for remote management. VS Management is a standard web service protocol used for remote software and hardware management. The WRM service listens on the network for VS Management requests and processes them. The WinRM service need to be configured with a listener using WinRM CMD command line tool or through group policy in order for it to listen over the network. The WinRM service provides access to WMI data and enables event collection and subscription to event require that the service is running. WinRM messages use HTTP and HTTPS as transports. The WinRM service does not depend on IIS, but is reconfigured to share a port with IIS on the same machines. The WinRM service reserves the MS-man URL prefix to prevent conflicts with IIS. Administrator should ensure that any website hosted on IIS do not use the VS-man URL prefix. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.